Good morning students. We are in last part of this lesson, reproduction in plants. So reproduction in plants we are seeing about sexual reproduction. Now we are remaining part of the sexual reproduction in plants. So sexual reproduction के लिए आपको plants का flower का जरूरत है. The flower will turns into seed and then seeds will fruit and then seed then it will germinate. So in that process I said you that pollination is important where pollen grains is produced from the stamen and then to the stigma that is anchored to stigma, male reproductive organ to female reproductive organ, and then fertilization happens through self pollination or a cross pollination. So fertilization कैसे होगा? After this transformation, this stigma will produce a type of a secretion, and from that secretion what happens, the male reproductive organ will grow and then this pollen grain will grow and then moves on to this pollen tube and mixes with this ovule in the ovary and then fertilization happens, and the secretion should be of its own species. Another species से वो mix नहीं हो पाएगा, that you should remember in mind. So next is about seed formation. So seed formation, what happens after this fertilization? What happens? Zygote is formed. Okay. So male reproductive cell and female reproductive cell mixes with each other and form a zygote. Zygote form करने के बाद वहाँ पे क्या होगा? तो एक मतलब एक strong formation हो जाएगा. That is zygote. Okay. This is, I said you before that this is a small cell. Okay. After this formation, petals, sepals, जो petals रहता है और sepals रहता है और stigma, everything will fall down except this ovary. So in the ovary, ovule will be there and ovule will produce enough amount of nutrition to this zygote. तो यहाँ पे बीच में हम लोग देखे होंगे, that is there will be a egg type thing and in that zygote a small cell is formed and ovule will produce enough nutrition to this zygote, small cell, and then it will grow. When it starts growing, it will develop a protective layer, a hard layer, and it will grow into embryo. So this is what happens in this seed formation. So here embryo is formed, okay, and with a hard shell, and seed is formed here, and then fruit. After the seed formation, it swells out. That is, it becomes bigger in size, and then it forms a fruit. So what happens then? That is this ovary. Okay, so ovary will produce enough amount of this nutrition for the seed, for the embryo to grow, and this embryo will develop into the fruit. So mango we eat, that is ovary. Okay, ovary of the plant, and this grows into plant. This grows into fruit will be mango like fruits, and some of will be almonds and will be hard. Some has a single seed, some has many seeds. So likewise it goes on. And seed. So after formation of this fruit, what happens? Seed time. So seed, it may be one seed, it may be many seed, but reproduction के लिए seed का जरूरत है. Seed आपको germinate होगा तब reproduction, और reproduction आपको species का reproduction देख सकते हैं. So कभी कभी क्या होता है, बहुत seeds है ना वहीं पे plant के नीचे गिर जाते हैं, and due to the unfavorable condition, some of the seeds will die. Okay, and some what happens, it will grow and particular stage it also gets vanished. So for that, dispersal of seeds is essential. So who will do this dispersion? यहाँ से दूसरी place को ले जाने के काम, that is an agent. Who will do this agent work? So many agents are there, like wind, water. It's a natural agent. We need not to pay for this. Wind, water, animals, life. So seeds for that. For example, first we can see about wind. So what happens in wind? Wind blow. So plants like dandelion and maple seeds are very lesser and very lighter, such that it can fly. So wind takes these kind of cotton seeds or dandelion or maple seeds to one place to the another and then tiger nails. It's very tiger. That is, it is a hook-like structure. Okay, and what happens? It will be stick on to the animal's skin, and when the animals move from one place to another, these seeds will fall down, and some of the seeds were swallowed by the animals. So animals intake the seed. So they don't know that this is a seed, and through the excretion, this seed will grow into the next place. So this is how the seeds move from one part of the place to next part, and then grows when the condition is favorable for the seeds to grow. So that is it. And next is explosion. Next method is explosion. Explosion is bursting off. So bursting off में आपको जेरानियम, बॉल्सम एंड पी, जब वो पूरा ग्रोथ हो गया है, so certain condition में वो burst हो जाता है. So when it explodes to that, it will go from one place to the another. Then if the same thing happens, condition is favorable, then it will grow in that place. So this is also one of the methods. Next is germination of seed. So seed has to grow. So for that seed grow करने के लिए आपको क्या क्या essential है? वाटर का एसेंशियल है, और सॉइल का एसेंशियल है, और लाइट का एसेंशियल है. So many things we saw in small classes, and everything should be placed here also. Seeds. So seeds का ये सब आपको देना पड़ेगा. Then only it will grow. So assume that one seeds, जो through this agent seeds are moved to one place, and the condition is okay there. Soil, water, sunlight, everything is okay now. So now how it will grow after getting all these things, water, everything. So water, when it enters into the seed, what happens? The reaction starts. Already there is an enzyme inside the secretion inside this ovary. Okay. So what happens? This ovary will produce another it will generate this process continues. Generation of this secretion will continue, and then the growth happens there. So after this growth, that is something is happening inside, some chemical changes it may happen inside after the water enter into the seed, and what happens? There will be enzymes will turns into the soluble form. जो enzyme seed के पास है, वो soluble form में convert हो जाता है. Then it will transfer to radicle and plumule and radicle. So what are they? This soluble form is converted into these two forms, radicle and plumule. So what is radicle? So this radicle is a kind of a secretion, and this helps pushes the seeds to downwards and makes the seed to grow its root. So root, this turns into root. Okay, and this plumule will push us up, and then this will form the shoot. Okay, and this is how the seed grows into plant, and the plant produces so many things for us. So let us keep on reading the science, this lesson, reproduction, plant secretion, and so many essential useful things from the plants from further studies. Thank you.